What's the meaning of croak? Croak. Croak.
Croak. Croak. Croak has multiple meanings. One of its most common definitions is the sound that a frog makes. However, it can also refer to the act of a person or animal making a deep, harsh sound, like a cough or groan. In a figurative sense, croak can mean to die or pass away. It is often used in a humorous or light-hearted way, but can also be used in more serious contexts. Overall, the meaning of croak depends on the context in which it is used, but it often involves some kind of deep, harsh sound or the end of life.